Product unpacking and installation. Take out the two forks. Lift one side of the leg before installing it. Adjust the width of the legs based on the actual working conditions, then tighten the bolts. Fully tighten the fixing bolts in a diagonal sequence. Repeat the above steps to install the leg on the other side. Remove the screw of the L-shaped pin. Remove the pin and align the fork with the mounting hole. Insert the L-shaped pin through forks and the fork carriage. Reinstall screws.